In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Meta AI on WhatsApp. Before we get started, it's important to understand one key thing. At the moment, WhatsApp does not offer a way to completely disable or remove Meta AI. The Meta AI button and its integration are built into the app, and there is currently no official off switch in the settings. So if you've been looking for a full removal option, that option simply isn't available right now. What you can do, however, is reduce how visible Meta AI is and avoid interacting with it. Let's start by muting the Meta AI chat so it doesn't keep drawing your attention. Open WhatsApp, then open the Meta AI chat. Once you're inside that conversation, tap the Meta AI name at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. From there, tap Notifications, then turn on Mute Notifications. WhatsApp will ask how long you want to mute it, so choose the duration that works best for you. This is helpful if you don't want alerts or interruptions from that chat appearing on your phone. Next, you can delete the Meta AI conversation from your chat list. Go back to your main chat list and find the Meta AI conversation. If you're using Android, long press the chat. If you're on iPhone, swipe left on the conversation, then tap Delete and confirm your choice. This removes the chat from your list, which can make WhatsApp feel a little cleaner and less cluttered. Just keep in mind that this does not remove Meta AI from the app itself. It only removes the existing conversation. Another important way to reduce Meta AI's presence is simply to avoid activating it. Try not to tap the Meta AI button in the app. Also avoid using @Meta AI in chats or group conversations, since that can trigger the assistant. If AI suggestions appear, just ignore them and continue using WhatsApp as usual. The less you interact with it, the less noticeable it will feel in your day-to-day use. Finally, a lot of people want to know whether the Meta AI button can be hidden. For most users, the answer is no. At this time, the button cannot be hidden or removed through official WhatsApp settings. So while you can't fully turn off Meta AI on WhatsApp right now, you can mute its chat, delete the conversation, and avoid using its features to minimize its presence. If WhatsApp adds more control in a future update, that may change, but for now, this is the best available workaround.